Hello students, the chapter of a ninth class that is going on is matter around the sphere. और अब हम पहुंच गए हैं on that part of separating techniques of mixtures. Mixtures को हम लोग बहुत simple technique से अलग कर सकते हैं. They don't need such a chemical formula or a chemical things to separate them. जैसे अब आप मुझे छोटी सी बात बताइए, बहुत पहले गांवों में क्या करते थे? अनाज को छानने के लिए छाछ होता था. उसको छाछ को ऐसे हिलाने पर stones get separated and the seeds get separated. That was the one of the method separating the mixtures. अब हम बात कर लेते हैं कुछ टेक्निक्स की that are in our book. I am talking about first, that is a centrifugation. Centrifugation is a technique what? This is the center seeking forces developed on the solution in which there is a churnal. अब अगर मेरी बात ऐसे ना समझ में आए तो बहुत मोटी सी बात समझना कि घरों में मक्खन निकालने के लिए एक मटका और एक रई होती है. रई is said to be a churner and that matka is said to be a pot. When the churner is rotated inside that pot, then develops a centrifugation force. अब new machines में they have the advanced machines. When the centrifugation force is developed on that particular solution, तो उसमें से solid particles get separated of lower density and they come on the surface. तो दूध में से मक्खन निकलकर सरफेस पर आ जाता है. This technique is not only used for separating milk from the butter. In pathology labs, this is used for testing the urine and the solid particles in it, for testing the blood and the particles present in the blood. This centrifugation technique is in our washing machine also. जब हम washing machine में कपड़े डालते हैं तो what happens? That rotator rotates and develops a centrifugation force. तो पानी उससे pore से that comes out and the clothes become dry. तो this is said to be a centrifugation. अब हम बात कर लेते हैं evaporation की. Evaporation is one of the simple technique. देखो ये सभी लोग जानते हैं. At the seashore there are the small gardens made of there. छोटे छोटे क्यारी बोलते हैं. And the sea water is put on them, sea beds, sea water, और वो sea water sun dry होकर get evaporated and the salt is left behind. Same way, I am telling you example. If you are having a one beaker, this is a beaker, fill up of a water. This is fill up of a water, standing on a tripod. We have a burner inside it. This is burner for heating the water. Now we have kept a vessel over here having a water in it and the ink plus water. What will happen? Slowly this vessel will get heated and the evaporation will start from this particular vessel. As the evaporation will start, the water will evaporate and the solid particles of an ink will be left behind. This we are using only for that because direct heat can burn the ink particles. So this is the evaporation technique. Now I am coming upon next technique, that is a sublimation. That means solid changes into directly gas without coming into the liquid state. So sublimation is one of the technique which depends upon its melting point. We have this china dish, again a burner, and the two mixtures over here. One is NaCl, one is sodium chloride and another is NH4Cl ammonium chloride. This is the mixture of two salts. Both are having a different boiling points. Now what we do, we keep a inverted keep on it. This is inverted keep. Plug inverted keep. Now what will happen? Ammonium chloride is having a lower melting point. It starts evaporating faster than the NaCl. It gets sublimized, changes to gases. So this ammonium chloride rises up and changes to dense gas. Now this cold keep condenses the gaseous molecule and we can have separate ammonium chloride in it. So this process is known as sublimation. Now I am talking about two immiscible liquids. So what is in the two immiscible liquids? We have a separating funnel. This is the kind of a separating funnel like this, and here is one nozzle connected by a T, by a stopcock. Now suppose there are the two immiscible liquids. One is water, another is oil. Oil, in the case, that is lighter than water. So what will happen? Water molecule will be at the bottom region and the oil molecules, means oil will be at upper side, because oil is having a less density than the water. It floats on water. Now as we open this stopcock, the water rushes down. और जैसे ही water खाली हो जाएगा, we just close that stopcock and the oil is separated. Right? So today I have discussed about the techniques of centrifugation, evaporation, sublimation and the two immiscible liquids in this video. In next video, we will discuss about much more techniques to separate the mixtures. Thank you very much.